Greetings, mathematicians. Today we're looking at example number 2, simplifying a product or quotient in terms of I. All of these numbers are actually relatively nice. The square root of negative 100, that is going to be I times the square root of 100, so that's 10, I times 10. But we write it with the number first. So A in the numerator is going to be 10I. In the denominator, square root of negative 25 is 5I. And that simplifies further. 10 divided by 5 is 2 over 1. So let's simplify that there. 2 over 1, and I divided by I simplifies to 1 over 1. Your answer is just 2. For B, we have the square root of negative 25, which is 5I, times the square root of negative 9, which is 3I. And so now we have 5 times I times 3 times I. That is 15 times I squared. I squared is equal to negative 1. So it's 15 times negative 1. Our answer is negative 15 for B. And A was 2. So let's go ahead and get that answer there. And for C, we have the square root of negative 5 times the square root of negative 5. The short answer is it's going to be negative 5. Square root of a number times the square root of the same number is always that number. However, I do want to show with I, this is I times the square root of 5 times I times the square root of 5, which is going to be I times I is I squared, and square root of 5 times the square root of 5 is going to be times 5. I squared is negative 1, so negative 1 times 5 gives us our answer of negative 5. And that's how you answer example number 2.